supercharged.
Well, buy one.
Fucking
Buy one. You got money.
Oh my god.
Go kiss it.
I would.
Go ahead. You want me to stop real quick?
Man, that's nice. I tell you, the new Ford trucks are gorgeous.
Well, buy one. You saw that junky Mustang?
I'm gonna do it. Look at it.
You can look at it.
I want to tow with it.
Well, there you go. On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up 2 cars in Red Hill, PA.
Pike Main Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
I know where I'm going. Shut up.
In 600 feet, turn left onto East 7th Street.
I got a lot of good deals from this dealer.
Take the next left onto
All right, you're gonna go
Pike
right there
Main
and
Street.
grab
Then your
both
destination will be on
sets
the
of
left.
keys. And we got to go somewhere else, right down the street. Here.
Yeah, I think it's in there. So we're commercials.
Yeah. I got a lot of. I think I bought a Trailblazer. No, I bought a. Oh shit! They got it closed off. I bought a V8 Denali Trailblazer, whatever the hell they are, for $150. And I used that for towing for a while.
Back there.
Yeah, I know. I forgot.
You gotta go. You went the wrong way, like you turned.
Shit. For $150, and I used that for towing. You don't remember that one? The white V8 one? I got a lot of good deals from here. They have the exit or entrance blocked off.
Yeah, but there's another entrance on the outside.
They did no reserve. I bought it for, I think it was $150. I stole it. I sold it for $2,500. Then I bought that Isuzu Rodeo. I think I paid.
That was a good deal. That was nice.
I think I paid $150 for that one too.
Yeah,
I sold that for what we got for that? $2 grand.
That was a nice one.
They don't want this junk. They just want. That's why I like new car dealers. They don't want this shit. They just want to get rid of it.
That's why I seen you pulling on your raggedy ass F150. I thought you was gonna upgrade.
Why I used to come pull my $100,000 tow truck, picking up junk. Now I pull up with a raggedy ass F150, $350 F150, and I pick up junk. I can't be pulling up to a new car dealer with an expensive tow truck and pick up junk.
Why not?
Well, you can, but I already did. They have no idea how much I make off this stuff.
Exactly. It's better that they don't know. I would buy something like that too. The utility in the back.
Oh, there you go.
That's a power stroke one too.
Yep. My truck's gonna get all money.
Good stickers.
Truck's gonna get all money. I know, that's why I bought them. I paid extra for those because they have good stickers. Actually, I seen this. I gotta see what they're asking for this.
Like that.
Cause I'd probably buy that.
Probably 7.3.
Nah, this is probably a 6.0. 6.0s are junk.
Nah, it's old body style.
I don't know. Let me see. $325. That's why I bought this junk. $525. That's not bad. It needs a coil pack.
Yeah, check engine light blinking.
Yeah. And I paid a little bit more than I should have. That's the issue. Probably needs a coil pack. All right, no big deal. It is what it is. Somebody fiberglassed the whole rocker panel. I'll put a coil pack $16.99 if it runs good. If it shifts at all. The minivan's gonna be $2 grand, probably. We'll see when we drive them. Once we get back to the Hoopty headquarters. Oh fuck. Shit. Yeah, $16.99 should be. Fuck. Alright, well if it runs good, it is what it is. $16.99, $16.99. How's it run? Runs good? Huh? No heat? It's gotta be $16.99 though. And that one's gotta be $1,500 at least. I overpaid for both of these. I always get good deals from them, but yeah, but I overpaid for them by too much. So it is what it is. All right. Manheim, Philadelphia. Alright, we're back at Hoopty headquarters. I'm gonna take this Jeep for a ride. Got 525 stickers. Does this window go up?
Yeah, it folds flat.
Oh, this is nasty. Another trash can. Why the hell are all these Jeeps look like a trash can inside? Ooh. Order some what do you call some pizza rolls?
I don't want to. You want?
Yeah, give me 2 pizza rolls. I'm hungry. Alright, so it definitely needs a quill pack. You can scan it and see which one it is. I'll just buy 1 quill pack. What do you think? $16.99 with a quill pack?
The other one's a lot nicer.
Yeah, I know, but
This one's got fiberglass on the side of it.
I know, but it's got good stickers.
The other one does too. The other one's got 825 stickers.
I mean, I could sell it the way it is for $1,500. So it's either $16.99 with a quill
$14.99 just the way it is.
or $14.99 the way it is then.
Buy a cold pack, put it on, and then probably have to send it back.
All right, $14.99 the way it is then.
It's not missing that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad. Get some tape, tape that window up, check the glove box, see if there's anything in there. Alright. I definitely overpaid for both of these.
The van was actually, the van runs beautiful.
The only reason I did that is because they're both the same dealer, they both had good inspection, and I use the...
Yeah, but you didn't look at the pictures to see all the fiberglass?
I didn't, you can't see it unless you really blow up the pictures. So this has to be $1,500, not a penny less. Just make sure it shifts right. Gotta wedge that window up though. I feel it in the back of my neck. Call him up. It's got heat. Got heat. My feet are frozen.
Mine's too. shit out the bottom and start working.
Yeah, there are no. I had some before that same problem. $16.99 for that one, definitely. If I had seats, it would be $2,000. I'm not gonna deal with that shit. Yeah, it's fun. Ship's good.
I think they're closed. They close Tuesdays. Yeah,
Alright, don't worry about it. What time is it anyway?
It's 3 o'clock.
Alright, I'm gonna get ready to go home. It's not a loss, just not, not what I was expecting, because I always do go with that dealer. And getting 2 cars at the same time, I save money. I don't have to do 2 trips. Spend gas, spend tolls. Perfect. Screw it. 1,500 the way it is. What are you gonna do? Back it in?
Yeah, I gotta move the van first. Watch the mirror, man.
I'm gonna hit that fucking junk. Raggedy ass piece of shit. Let me check the antifreeze on this junk. I get something to wedge that up. Put a piece of paper or something. It's low. Need some antifreeze.
Got a water pump on.
Yeah. Obviously, we topped off. The coils are easy. Screw it. I'm not gonna mess with this. Oil's good. Top that antifreeze off. Screw this shit. We got antifreeze in it, right?
I don't think so. I gotta check.
Check. See, we got antifreeze. Just top this shit off. With seats, this would have been $19.99. $325, good until next month. These are the good motors, 3.3. Here. Yeah, it needs about a half a quarter, it's fine. Alright. Two piles of shit. Alright, we're good. Taking a break from buying anyway. 2 Hoopties. I overpaid for both. Unfortunately, it happens sometimes. But $16.99, $14.99. It is what it is. Alright, I'm going home. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright. Hey, what's up? What's up, my friend? 1 Powerball, 1 Mega, please. Yep.
What do you got there? Oh, give me 3 match 6, 1 cash 5, please.
How you making out? You winning?
Yeah, I wish. You never win the shit off this guy.
I don't know. I told him if I win, I'm going to hook him up.
That's what I tell him. I said, if I
Hasn't
win, you
happened
win.
yet.
That's why you're
There
looking
you
at it.
go.
Right?
Exactly.
I win, you win.
Exactly.
Nothing. Him or Benny.
Good luck, buddy.
Thank you.
All right.
You too.
Yep.
Even
Thank
when
you.
you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.